You ever watch someone try to shove their entire bedroom into a backpack and think, that's not how any of this works? Welcome or welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how not to be that person. Enter the gear method. This is a method that I designed to help me streamline the personal item part of my packing process. As a bonus, it also helps my kids pack their own bags too. Gear stands for grub, stuff you can eat or drink without getting side eyes from TSA or your seatmate. Entertainment, tech and toys to keep your brain from melting during a 3-hour delay. Amenities, comfort stuff, because the travel part of travel can be rough. Requirements, the things that let you function when you land, things you cannot go 24 hours without. Look, we're not paying a mortgage payment for trail mix at the Hudson News, not in this economy. Grub isn't about packing a 5-course meal, it's about being strategic. Protein bars, chips, dried fruit, TSA friendly, not smelly, not messy. If your snack requires a fork and a wipey, don't bring it. Also, hydrate like you've done this before. Reusable water bottle, fill it after security, no excuses. I like to bring electrolyte drink packets to combat the dreaded dehydration headache. Airplane mode doesn't have to mean brain shutdown. Most people are not okay staring into the abyss for 3 hours. Entertainment equals survival. Load up your phone or tablet before you leave. Download podcasts, shows, playlists, audiobooks, anything that won't buffer mid-flight. Bring wired and wireless earbuds, a power bank fully charged, charging cables if you need them. This power bank is great because it just plugs directly into my phone or any USB-C device. I keep a Kindle in case the plane Wi-Fi is a lie or stupid expensive, and I always bring some kind of non-electronic entertainment to give my eyes and brain a break too. Now for the good stuff. Amenities equals anything that makes a cramped, loud, recycled air environment slightly less awful. This is the kit that I put together. I'll link the video down below if you want a walkthrough of everything that I include. You're not flying a private jet, so you'll need to build your own bubble. This is the don't screw this up category. Requirements are the stuff you actually need when you land. Wallet, charger, travel docs, medications and supplements, glasses, a change of clothes if your luggage goes MIA or your kid spills their entire bottle of juice on you. This is also where I pack my swimsuit if I'm bringing one, because that's the last thing I want to shop for on vacation. Ask yourself, if my suitcase disappears, even if it's a carry-on suitcase, can I survive for 24 hours with what's in this bag? If the answer is yes, you've packed right. Your personal items should fit under the seat. That means no tactical backpacks with 30 zippers and a water bladder. Think slim tote, messenger bag, or small day pack. Always check your airline's underseat dimension allowance against your fully packed bag, unless you're a big fan of at-the-gate fees. Today we're going to pack up a bag that was sent to me by NayoSmart. This is the Urban U6 in white. I'll put a link below if you're interested in this pack. I was impressed with how well thought out their bags are. Let's take a quick tour before we pack it up. The outside is made from water and stain resistant 200D nylon. There's a front zippered pocket with integrated key clip and this extra clip on front. External side pockets for a water bottle or umbrella. Pack EVA padded S-shaped shoulder straps with breathable mesh, a widened luggage strap for going over your luggage handle, the independent back laptop compartment fits a 16-inch laptop with EVA padding, a soft material inside. This is really cool. The handles are magnetic to keep them together. There's a magnetic flap closure for easy access. A top zippered mesh pocket lined with soft velvet for glasses protection. Two internal dividers with multiple pockets, including pen slots. One divider fits a 16-inch laptop and accessories. A second divider offers large capacity storage. Let's pack this all up and see how it fits. The gear method isn't fancy, it's functional. Travel's chaotic enough without your bag working against you. This method saves time, stress, and that awkward, anxiety-fueled, what did I forget moment. If this helped you avoid being that traveler, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more of the okayest travel tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I post new videos every week, and we'd love to have you join us. Thanks for watching.